We have a microwave here that actually works for once, and I'm gonna put a layer in it because I won't be able to see anything in there. Alright, I moved it forward a bit, and it's still way too bright for you to see anything. So... fuck it. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's on fire. Oh no. What the fuck is it doing? Oh, I can see the plasma. Oh shit. Oh my god, we got 30 seconds left. It's not doing nothing. I'm just gonna... Oh. Oh. Ew, I can hear a bubble. Oh, it's fucking... Oh, it's still on fire. You can cool off inside of there. Actually, yeah, it's fuck off. God, it smells like shit. It's probably good now, right? Still good? Oh, it's still spicy. Got a bit too spicy. I don't want that to melt in there, so... Fuck. So hot. Yeah, the rest of that ain't coming off. Not bad.